12 settings that you must change on your iPhone immediately. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the privacy and security option you see there and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for lockdown mode. Tap on that and then go ahead and turn on lockdown mode on your iPhone. This will block risky features like unknown FaceTime calls, message attachments, advanced web code, etc. Now, go back to privacy and security page and then tap on the tracking option on top and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for allow apps to request to track. Now, go back and in privacy and security again, tap on the app privacy report option and then go ahead and enable app privacy report and see which apps are accessing your data such as camera, mic, location, and photos. Next, in privacy and security, again tap on location services and then go ahead and choose any app and set it to while using app or set it to never and repeat the same for other apps too. And this will give location access only while you're using that particular app or it will completely disable the location services. Now, in privacy and security again, tap on the Apple advertising option you see there and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for personalized ads. This reduces targeted ads based on your activity. Now, go back to settings and tap on Face ID and passcode and then go ahead and enter your passcode and then set your passcode to 6-digit or custom code and make sure that your password is protected with strong authentication and does not include a simple password. Now, go back to settings and tap on general and then tap on software update and then tap on automatic updates and set it to turn on and this will keep your iOS up to date without thinking. Next, in general again tap on background app refresh and set your background app refresh to Wi-Fi or set it to off and this will stop apps from refreshing in the background and will save your battery. Now, go back to settings and tap on notifications and then tap on scheduled summary and enable scheduled summary on your iPhone. This will reduce notification overload and only get what matters. Now, go back to settings and tap on focus and then choose or create a focus. By doing this, you can set focus for school, sleep, work in order to block distraction. Next, go ahead and tap on privacy and security again and then tap on Bluetooth and then go ahead and toggle off Bluetooth for apps that are not in use. Also, go back to settings and tap on battery and then tap on low power mode and enable low power mode. This will boost your battery life fast, especially when useful. So these were 12 settings you must change immediately on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.